Hi, today I want to do an unboxing of a new tool out from Maker's Movement. It's called the Mini Maker. Now you've seen me use their larger die cutting machine, but this one is smaller and works great with their jewelry making dies or any small die that you might have. So let me just open this up and see what comes in the box. Let's take a look here. Alright, so there is the Mini Maker, and I have to say it is a bit larger than I anticipated. So let's see what comes in the packaging. So here is the machine itself, and I'll just grab a ruler here and measure the front. So looking about 5.5 with the handle just about 8 inches across, and the height here, it has like suction cup bottom to it. The height is about 4.5. So it's a nice shape that can sit on your desktop. Then it comes with the user guide and instructions. And then also it comes in the package are the plates. So let's give that an open. So we have an A plate that's clear. Looks like there's paper inserts between each layer. There's a B plate that's clear. There's another B plate that's clear. And then we have the metal plate, which is typical of the larger machine that they also sell. So let's just take a look at the machine itself. So it says included with your machine is that you get a metal plate, a clear plate, 2 clear plates, a die, and etching dies, which I did not see. I will have to go back through the packaging and see if that's in there. So then it has your different sandwiches for what you're going to be doing. So you always use the metal plate, and then you have the A and the B plate as your spacing. The A plate goes on the bottom always, and then the metal plate. And then it looks like if you're going to emboss, you would do use just the B plates. So that is a walk through the machine, and I will use it for my next project and show you how that works. So I wanted to take a moment to show you the dies that came in the packaging. I found them. They were kind of static cling to the white foamy outer packaging. So here I have 2 shapes to make earrings, and these can cut through thicker material. And then I have the word thanks, which can cut through paper. So let's just do a real quick little cut, and we'll see how it goes. Now each of these plates looks to have a plastic protecting sheet on it, possibly. I'm just going to leave it in place. It doesn't look like it needs to be removed from the B plate, and it looks like it's on the back of all the plates, so we'll just let that be. Let me take a second to open this up and get paper ready, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I grabbed a piece of silver Starstruck Rhenia foil, and I'm going to use the paper die on top. So I have the A plate down, then the metal plate, and now I'm going to put the die on top of the Rhenia foil paper, and I am just going to use a little bit of washi tape to hold that in place so it doesn't move around on me. And so let's just make sure that stays in place. I'm going to try it with just one B plate and let's see how that fits. It fits through the machine. There, it's grabbing it. I can feel it now. Pull it out the other side. And let's see how that did. Yeah. So we can see easily punches out of the paper. And I just need to remove the negative spaces, just easily pushing on those. You could also use a weeding tool if you wanted to, but they're all popping out really easily. And so there we have it. And you can see that what happens when you use your die, that it impresses in the metal plate and not the plastic. So that is helpful as well. Let me just measure the plates for you so you get a sense of how long these are. It looks to be about 8.5, so I would say you could cut something about 8 inches long by just about 3 inches wide. So you might want to go a little under 3 inches for your width on those plates. So hopefully that's helpful. I'm excited to have it and to have a smaller version of a die cut machine to use on my desktop, which I can leave out and access whenever I need it.